This video will show you how to use the layer tracking function for drilling. So first you have to press the F2 key to bring up the layer tracking mode. So here you can turn it on or off, and if you have it on, whenever I drill a hole, I'll be prompted to enter layers. These layers can be changed to be whatever I want. So if I want to change this layer to be topsoil, next to be rock, and the third to be, let's say we're drilling down to coal, I'll hit accept here. And then when I press F1, it's going to prompt me, what layer am I on? I'll say topsoil, hit accept. As it's going down, you can see I'm drilling. I need to just press F2 when I encounter a new layer, and it'll bring up the next layer in the list. Now I can select any layer I want, but as I do this, it's just going to auto increment down the list as I've defined them. I can either hit accept here, or F2 again will be the same as hitting accept. I'm going down, press F2 one more time. For the last layer, hit F2 to save it. Then at the bottom of the hole, I press F3 to save. Now when we look at that hole, I can see in the properties that I've got my different elevations for where those layers were encountered. And then I can go to the drill plan manager, make sure that I have my drill plan selected, and hit this layer depth report icon. Right here you see that for that hole ID 00, name 00, I've got my start elevation, my end elevation of hole, my total slope distance drilled, and then the thicknesses of each layer that I encountered. This is useful for handing off to blasting managers for calculating volumes of explosives. It can be easily exported as a CSV file by just tapping export. And then I'll export it right now to my desktop and open it up. Now I'll use Excel to import this file. Hit accept, browse for the file location. Here it is. And now it's saying to create an importer. So it's not actually delimited by commas. You can see here that there's semicolons that are delimiting it. The reason we do this is because of countries that use commas as decimal points. So that can throw off the importer. So I'll hit next. Change it to semicolons for the delimiter. And then I need to make sure that the first two columns are text formatted. And I hit finish. And right here now I've got the ID and name of the hole, the start elevation, end elevation, and all that same information that we're seeing in DPS900.